What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. YouTube, what's good? We on the grind, man. We just going to the 4th of July fireworks. It's literally 10. I mean, it's literally 7 something, 6 something. We're about to go right now. I'm about to vlog this all. So let's see. We got PD right here too. PD right there. Man, fuck the cops. Respectfully. I'll say a lot of crap. Respectfully. I don't give a shit about no cop. Go to mama. Fuck police. Fuck sheriffs. Fuck PD. Fuck all that. I ain't asking for none of the help. Right, do it on my own. Look at stay trooper, bro. They're whack, bro. Stay trooper, bro. What y'all doing, stay trooper? Y'all lazy bums. Or to my mother. Stay trooper is sucking mad day right now. Alright, chat, man. We in Boston, bro. Y'all know the vibes. Fuck you looking at? Fucking white ass motherfucker. Got that blocked out too, chat. Damn, surprised he's not packed. Alright, good thing we're here early. Oh shit. We got the military here, bro. I have so much respect for them, you know? I would get a flick with them, but you know.
Are you guys wanting to go to the pavilion?
No, not really.
Alright, we got the fire truck here. Oh, we here early then. Oh, thank God.
Yeah, because it starts at 9 supposedly.
Yeah, they said 9:40.
That's
That's good. They started early.
perfect timing though.
Yeah, we here early on the spot. That's even better. I ain't gonna lie, chat. Peep my dad's fit, bro. No chose aside, bro. That nigga got dripped though. Better than mine. No cap, chat. Y'all see mine? Bro. I'm gonna keep it set with chat. Chat, listen. I am not about to come to 4th of July fireworks to look dripped out. This is 2025, man. We ain't on that timing. I'm just throwing something crazy on. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got time to be looking fancy. I got so much respect, you know what I'm saying? You looking fly, you gotta look fly no matter what. Me, I don't gotta look fly for nobody. I keep it a bean. PD. Fuck you looking at. Chat, you know I don't like the police, chat, you know that. Chat, we here early. Last year we were late. Last year we were late. Okay. Huh? Ew. I'm having face came down. Y'all seen earlier the clips, chat. You know what I'm saying? Face. Military police. Look at chat, we got military police here, chat. Military police. You know, we got the sheriffs, man. Y'all see this, chat? This is Boston, chat. You know how we are. Oh.
Yes, what I was telling you. Yeah.
Look at the preview of Boston, chat. Y'all know that. park chat.
Bring the next one.
I'm gonna be trimming. I'm gonna be
Checking, yep, that's right.
chat. Chat. You know I don't chat no police chat. good YouTube? I'm back at the crib. I just went to go see the fireworks. You guys seen that last clip. People were just shoving and pushing and doing all that craziness, so I had to cut the little bit of the clip. I'm probably gonna roll that clip when the first part y'all hear it. Comment down below what y'all feel about it. I gotta rewatch it to see if I hear them. I don't know, I gotta rewatch that. But yeah, it was a blast. I got there early, so I filmed a couple my intro early, and then the fireworks started late today. But yeah, we're gonna be doing this every year. So if you guys like these content, if you like this type of video, I'm gonna be doing it every year on July 4th. So you gotta make sure you guys mark down the calendar every year on the 4th. New video will be for the 4th of July every year for this YouTube channel. My daily content is not gonna be every day. It's going to be here and there. Y'all see, just have y'all notifications on, and then y'all see what's going on. But I streamed a little bit at the Charles River in Boston. I streamed a little bit. I published it just on YouTube just now. That's like when we got there, it was getting a little packed, and they were doing all, you know. So, damn. I don't know if y'all can still hear that, but they're still going at it. This is gonna be like this all night in Boston. Word to my mother, is gonna be like this all night in Boston. So if you guys jack that, good luck being in Boston, especially in the hood area. It's gonna be no sleep for us. No cap. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll meet y'all later, and we gone. This video is done. No cap, chat. Comment your favorite part of this video.